Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really handy tool to help you get out of bed. So whether you're injured, elderly, or you just really want to have some help getting out, this is a great tool to use. It does come with a little strap that you can actually wrap around your entire mattress just by looping it through here. So that is an extra stability, but this is completely adjustable. So you can just move it in and out really easy with these little push buttons here. Then all you've got to do is just insert it into your mattress. You just slide it in there and have it where you're wanting to have it. Like I said, it completely adjusts whether you want it higher here or lower. It all has little clips to be able to move up and down. Then you have all these really nice soft handles with a nice little handy bag. So if you wanted to put, a book or anything like that in there, you've got a bigger area back here. If you had an iPad, little chapstick, anything like that. Then as you are in your bed, you can get in, use it to then help sit down, which is really nice because you can push down, hold on to it to lay down. I mean, this whole thing is just really nice, like just the whole thing. Being able to pull on it, it'll hold like 330 pounds. It's got a really nice grip to be able to help you get up and moving in the mornings. That is great. Or if you just need to grab onto wheelchairs, this is a really nice way to be able to have that extra safety in your bed. It's not intrusive. It's super easy to put together, and it's nice and lightweight.